price we pay living along the beautiful West Coast. We have to deal with the risk of earthquakes. Our friends in Louisiana usually don't. In fact, a 4.9 magnitude earthquake, the strongest ever recorded on land in the state, occurred this morning. It was felt across North Louisiana, including around Shreveport. According to the USGS, the strongest earthquake in Louisiana history was actually a 5.3 in 2006, but that one happened offshore of Grand Isle in the Gulf. But in Louisiana, where there aren't any major fault lines like what we have to deal with out west, earthquakes like this are extremely rare there. If you compare it to Washington, earthquakes around that magnitude happen every so often. Back in 2025, we had a 4.5 hit the state, in 2019 a 4.6, and a 4.7 in 2009. So while a 4.9 is historic for Louisiana, here in Western Washington, it's a good reminder to be earthquake ready. Make sure you have that plan in place for you, your family, and your pets for when the shaking starts.